Brace yourself, guys. We've spotted a celebrity who's been MIA for quite some time.
Now, all we need to know is if Miss I'm Not Impressed is going to crush or crash her look.
Please, I'd rather be called a serial crasher.
Today's episode is all about the outfits our celebrities wore at various events, but with one exception: her doppelganger.
So let's get into this week's episode of
Crush or Crash. Anushka Sharma Kohli. She's been MIA for a while, Rosh.
I'm sure Virat must be keeping her really busy.
So she looks stunning. She's wearing an outfit from Pantene. I think it's a beautiful pastel pink kurta dress. I like the neckline, it's draped, the floral embroidery. Mostly what I like about this look is it's a beautiful blend between a contemporary and a traditional outfit. I mean, I can see myself wearing it out for a brunch. It's a very beautiful outfit, and the belt sleeves, the polka dots. I think all in all, it's a very stunning ensemble.
I don't know, Palna. I don't hate it, but I'm not really dying for it. I think I like the color. I love the Pura Paschim earring that she's wearing. Again, one of my favorite brands. I'm not very happy with the way she's just tied her hair. I mean, I know she's trying to do a disheveled look, and I'm all for a really effortless updo, but to me it looks slightly incomplete for an event. Also, the length of the dress is a tad bit too long for me. I think it looks like it's an anarkali without a salwar, maybe?
So it's clear I am totally crushing this look.
I'm very in between. I want a nicer hair next time, Anushka.
Okay.
Okay, so Yami Gautam went back in time and borrowed a skirt from Deepika Padukone, dyed it in a very ugly, rusty color and wore it.
No, I think she actually went back in Helen G's time when though she was a stunning dancer. This is full cabaret look that's happening in 2018, which is so not working. Why am I doing this while I'm talking? But technically, yeah, she's gone back, and she's gone back bad.
She should have never come back. She should have just stayed there.
They would have let her be there also.
Like, why would you wear this in 2018, first of all? This is not vintage, this is not classic, this is not on trend.
This is blah.
This is a DIY blah outfit. I mean, I know that she was trying to do a risque outfit, but just putting one Angelina Jolie leg out of your skirt is not risque. I'm sorry.
The outfit is really blah. There's nothing in the outfit. It's just a black top with a sequin skirt. Over that, Yami hasn't put any effort. Like, her stylist has put no effort whatsoever. The hair doesn't work. There's nothing happening with the makeup. There's no accessory to uplift the look. Heels are plain. All in all, everything is so, like, I didn't think about it. I didn't put any effort. I just saw this dress hanging, wore it and came.
Have you seen this movie, Devil Wears Prada, where she looks at her skirt and says, do you have some hideous skirt convention to go to? That's where she was going. Before I go more
We'll go crazy, so let's just crash. Whoa, Roshni, do I see you on the screen?
Absolutely. If I wear that outfit, my life would never be the same.
She'll never get out of that outfit.
She's giving me such a 70s vibe, Aparna.
She looks stunning. She literally, how can somebody look this stunning coming out of an airport?
I mean, look at this woman wearing a Dior top with a Birkin bag and Truffle Collection shoes. This is like a perfect example of how you can pair your high street brands with your high ends. She looks amazing from top to bottom. I'm in love with this look. I want to wear that top right now.
And look like her, of course. That you can, because you guys look similar, which is a compliment. Love her look, love the whole pussy bow top. This is the top from Dior, and she's actually wearing it with H&M pants. This is awesome. The jacket is H&M, pants H&M, Birkin, Truffle. Dude, isn't she amazing?
And the badass attitude is so Kangana. Love the round glasses.
The hair. I like the way it's kept on one side, and she's maintained the curl. Like, she's kept her natural curls.
So needless to say, it's a big, big, big crush.
Loving the look.
So, Uima Qureshi. What is she wearing? Why is she wearing this? Somebody
Our
please tell me.
installation is back because she couldn't find her pencil shavings. Right? What is the next hideous piece in my cupboard? This one.
And how worse can I pair it with another hideous thing that's
a
her
footwear.
shoe?
Exactly. The only thing I like is her hair and makeup.
I'm someone who loves the way she looks. I love her face. I think it's stunning. But I feel so sorry for her to be styled this way by her stylist, which in this case is Anisha Jain. And she's wearing an outfit by Isha Sethi Tirani.
For me, I don't know if particularly this outfit is bad, but I think it's a very wrong outfit for Huma.
Exactly. It's
because
a very
the sequin is fading out here.
Yeah.
If you know you're a curvy body, I will not give myself dark on the top, dark on the bottom, and have
then,
such a light color.
Yeah.
That ombre, the light color is all around her waist. That's your area that you're supposed to cinch. You're trying to get an hourglass here. That's what I'm assuming. The stylist was aiming at that. Clearly fade. That's why this is such a bad outfit. And I'm sorry, the shoes are hideous.
hideous. And
It's a crash.
It's a crash.
It's a crash. So I am super impressed. I love what Shilpa Shetty is wearing. This is styled by Mohit Rai.
Mohit Rai.
And she's wearing Anamika Khanna. She's actually wearing one of the pieces from her latest collection.
Absolutely.
What a beautiful piece. And this is the perfect way of doing print. It's so much print happening in the outfit, but it's still not bothering my eyes. And it has the perfect organza blouse, which is white, which is breaking the print all over for me.
Absolutely.
Love the detailing on the waist, which is giving more definition. And love the whole printed pant combination. Interesting detail on the neck. And the best part
The
is
shoes, the Jimmy Choo shoes. I mean, she looks edgy, she looks out there.
She looks
I think she's
stunning,
nailed it. She's nailed the look.
Oh my god, she looks 100 on 100. I think 200 on 100 this time. For me, it's a crush on heart.
It's a super crush.
So now it's time for the fun segment, and that is the audience segment.
Here we go.
Okay, so the first one is Disha Patani, and it is sent to us by Shweta510.
Is that your height? 5'10"? If it is, then let us know in the comment section below.
Okay, Shweta, do let her know in the comment section below.
We love cracking codes.
So thank you for sharing the picture with us, Shweta. I am crashing it. I'm so sorry, but it is quite bad. I don't know if she's going to a beach.
She's going to a samba party.
Yeah, why does she have a bun if she's going to a beach? It's such a uptight hairdo. It's such a flowy. The dress is
She's
actually
gonna
quite
go and
bad.
do
Honestly
samba.
speaking, the dress is horrible and the shoes are worse.
Why would she wear this for a movie promotion event? It's
that's
so
for
bad.
Baghi too. She's promoting the movie in this. Ruffles.
Do you want people to go watch your movie?
I doubt. I mean, the hair, that whatever neck piece, the weird bow tie, that all in all, bad choice, bad styling, hair, makeup, shoes. So, Disha, sorry, crashing it. And thank you, Shweta, for sharing the picture with us.
Okay, so the next picture is sent to us by Nafi_Ro. A little known fact is that some of my friends also call me Ro. But she sent us a picture of Swara Bhaskar, who looks like Frida Kahlo's elder sister.
Poorly styled.
Frida Kahlo's poorly styled elder sister, because Frida Kahlo was a fashion icon. This is not cool.
She's wearing Saman Chauhan.
I don't know where she's going wearing this. I think she should
I want
clearly
to know
take
how
off the
she,
cape.
like, is she comfortable like moving her hand?
She should take the cape off and show us her real self. And I see some of the skirt which I like, but the rest of the outfit is a
sloppy
disaster.
Yeah, it's a very sloppy look.
It's a fashion disaster.
Sorry, crashing it. But thank you, Nafi.
So this was it for today's episode, guys. But wait, if I'm the serial crasher, then what do we call you, Upalana?
You guys tell me in the comment section below. And while you're thinking of something innovative, go like the video.
And for more news on celebrity fashion and styling tips, tune into Perfects of Fashion. Bye.